Welcome to Student Alliance. My name is Shahrukh Sheikh, and in today's video, we're going to talk about in Bytello class how exactly you can use an option of timer. Now say that you've given a sum to a student where you want him to come onto the board and solve it. Just click on more, click on timer, just click on play, right? As soon as play is done, if you select any other option, after a certain time this will go away. You can just put it aside. You can either full screen it for the class purposes. In case you don't want to full screen it, just click on the screen, and here the student whatever is writing, you will be able to analyze that how much time they took. If you want to switch it off, just click here and click on reset. You're back to your board without any hassle. Thank you so much.